we have a new track coming up called the V32. It's still a broken wing butterfly trade, but it's going to be on the Russell. We're going to start most likely October. That's going to be a great trade to track also. It's a very good performing trade. It's fairly simple and it's shorter term. So, with the X4 trades, we have our longer term broken wing butterflies in the SPX. We have the M3, which is like a longer term broken wing butterfly, especially if you go with the M3U. And then we're going to have the V32, which is going to be shorter term. It's going to be another, well, usually it's a 30-day trade. You'll see it's got a varying entry as we go into that. Is this new trade going to use option view or ONE? I'm doing everything I can to make it as analytical software neutral as possible. So the way we're setting it up, we're using all the standard settings in the software. So theoretically, you could use either ONE or option view. Actually, I've run the tests in both software, and it performs very similar, and either be able to monitor it with Think or Swim if that's what you choose to do so.